Hey, Shalom. Very excited this morning because I'm going to prove to you 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Mathematically, I'm going to use math to do it. However, before I go there, let me read the Bible. That is what I believe. That is a foundation of our subject, Trinity. 1 John chapter 5, verse number 7. The word says, "For there are three that bear witness in heaven, the Father, the Word, and the Spirit. And these three are one." Did you see that? It says there are three in heaven, bear witness, and these three are in fact one. That is what I'm going to prove to you, that three are one. Now, let's go back to mathematics. Math, the one you know, is called base 10 addition or a decimal addition, meaning the smallest number is 0 and the highest number is in fact 9. You did it in kindergarten, meaning after number 9 follows zeros. Example, if I say 9 plus 1, what do you write? You write 0, then 1, because the highest number here is 9. And there is no bigger and or larger number than 9. So it is 0 and 1. Since was no any number behind number 9, that's why the 1 cometh and 0 follows. Let me go to 19. 19 is 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 plus 1, what you get, I said, is 9 plus 1 is 0, then carries 1. Behind number 9, there is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's what you call it, 20. Let me go to number 29. 29 is 2 and 9. 9 plus 1 is 0. Carries 1 to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 30. That is called base 10 addition or decimal addition. However, there's another number called binary addition. In your computers, laptop, those are the numbers down this side there, meaning the smallest number is 0 and the highest number is 1. Binary means two, only two numbers. Now listen carefully. In binary addition, meaning 1 is the highest number, after 1 goes 0. I'm going to teach you quick, don't worry. Meaning 1 plus 1, binary 1 plus binary 1 is equal to what? As I said, the highest number is 1 and the smallest is 0, meaning 1 plus 1 goes 0. 1 is like our 9 now in decimal. 1 plus 1 goes to 0 and follows 1. Meaning in binary addition, 1 plus 1 in fact is equal to 10, or 1, 0 binary. That is mathematics, brother. I know most of you don't know these things because you don't know advanced mathematics or you didn't take advanced math. But you will have to go to your advanced math teacher after this subject and verify what I'm saying. If I am wrong, I will convert and be whatever religion you want me to be. And I will stop believing in Trinity. Now, let's go to 11. 1, 11 binary. 1, 1 binary. Plus 1. What is it? 1, 1 plus 1. They're all binary. So 11 binary plus 1 binary is equal to what? So it's 1 plus 1 is 0. Behind 1 there was 11 plus 1, 0, then 1, meaning it's 100. Meaning that 11 binary plus 1 binary is equal to 100 binary, or 100 binary. That is mathematics. This is why people comprehend not Trinity. Why? Because 99% Christians and non-Christians, they don't know mathematics. This is why they're talking a lot out there. Now I'm coming to prove to you Trinity. Trinity means 3, meaning the smallest number is 0, followed by 1 and 2. There is no number greater than 2. What is this in mathematics? It is ternary addition. So we did base 10 addition or decimal additions. We did binary addition. Now we are going to do ternary addition. That is Trinity. Let us see if this Trinity, ternary addition, is within the brackets of each other. Now, how many are there in heaven? They are three. And the Bible claims the three are one. So whatever we have to do, we have to break it into one. Because that's what the Bible says. The three are in fact one. Now, let's go back to math. As I said, ternary addition, the smallest number is 0. The highest number is 2. Meaning after number 2 goes back to 0. Just like number 1 in decimal addition goes back to 0. Number 9 in decimal addition goes back to 0. And number 1 in binary addition goes back to 0. In ternary, number 2 goes back to 0. Now, 1 plus 1 plus 1 ternary is what? 1 ternary plus 1 ternary plus 1 ternary. What is this in ternary addition? So 1 plus 1 ternary is 2 ternary. 2 ternary plus 1 ternary is in fact 1 0 ternary, or you call 10 ternary. Do you comprehend that? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 ternary is equal to 1 0 ternary. But the Bible is telling us that these three are one. So we got to make sure that we go to a single digit. We got to break again. We have 1 0 ternary. So we have 1 ternary, bracket, and 0 ternary. So 1 ternary plus 0 ternary, guess what number do you get? It is 1 ternary, because ternary means 3, but in 1. It is a noun that carries plural inside it. I teach these things every single day. I prove to you. Now you gotta go yourself. Google 1 ternary plus 1 ternary plus 1 ternary is equal to what? Just Google. Ask a chat GPT, ask whatever you want, AI app you have. 1 ternary plus 1 ternary plus 1 ternary is equal to what? It will tell you exactly what Dr. Maxwell said. It is 1 0 ternary. Then break the 1 0 ternary. 1 ternary plus 0 ternary, what you get? It is 1. There are 3 in heaven, and the 3 are 1. Now let us erase that 1. But God is not a number. God is not a number. God is eternal. He's not a number. So though we put number, I put a number to prove to you. However, God is not a number. And eternal mathematically is infinity. It's like number 8, you flip it up. So infinity is a number which has no beginning or the end. That is God. So the Father is infinity, the Word is infinity, and the Spirit is infinity. When you add infinity plus infinity plus infinity, guess what do you get? It is infinity, because there is no number greater than infinity. So even if there are a million infinity, when you add them, the answer is infinity. And that is God. So mathematically, I have proved to you that 1 plus 1 plus 1 ternary is equal to 1. As well, infinity plus infinity plus infinity. In your knowledge of base 10 or decimal addition is equal to 1. Today I've proved to you. Go to your math teacher. I want you, if you have a teacher who is university, not this 5th grade, 6th grade, whatever. I want a university math teacher. Verify what I'm saying. And I can tell you, my teachings are infallible and within the context of the infallible word. Share this to your friend that Dr. Maxwell have proved to you 1 plus 1 plus 1 ternary is equal to 1 ternary, the Trinity. Shalom again. Bye.